morning, everyone. Welcome back to Barrentine Outdoors. Hope y'all all staying warm and safe out there with all these winter storms rolling through. I'm on my way to town to fill up the gas jugs, get anything else we need in case we lose power or anything in the house. But woke up this morning and the winter storm is rolling in on the west side of the state. We live on the far east side, so we got a few hours before it gets over here in our part. But just want everybody out there to be careful. Try not to travel around if you don't have to. I've seen several pictures from my hometown on the other side of the state that roads are icy and it looks pretty rough. I pray that we don't lose power. Hopefully we're able to keep all our heat and just kind of stay inside and stay warm. Gonna get the Can-Am fueled up in case that be our only means of transportation. Or if we don't lose power or nothing and we get ice and snow everywhere, we'll have something to play on, have plenty of gas in it. Anyway, I'll do a different little video today, kind of do a little daily vlog. I ain't got much going on, no hunting today. Probably go check on Brister's traps or something and fiddle around and get ready for this winter storm. Me and Brister's gonna go check some traps now. Make sure no animals are caught in them. With this winter storm coming in, I don't want to leave no animals stuck in them traps. That'd be mean, wouldn't it? It sure is cold out here.
Yep.
Woo. Starting to rain. Man, somebody cut the heater on.
I know.
Golly.
It's cold. Heater. We need the heater.
Woo. Mama gonna have to warm me up when we get home.
Me too.
Well, we're at the first trap. I don't see it. We're gonna find us a limb and stick down in there. See if we can make it go off.
Oh, we're picking them up?
Yeah, go on, pull them up. Wait. Don't want to leave them out with it this cold.
That's why I kept that metal bar in here. So you can set it off. Any stick.
Yep. Something drug the rib out on this one anyway. Stick your foot in it.
I'm good.
But you're gonna need a bigger stick than that. There we go. Bone and fly. Oh, weenie man. Ah, got the traps taken care of. Now let's go back and sit in a warm house.
Let's go.
Where we going? Got your cream on your face.
What's it look like?
Take that mask off, goober.
Goober.
Don't be that chick. Well, it's been a lazy day. We've been sitting around the house doing nothing. What you looking at, honey?
The blizzard.
She's camera shy. We've been waiting on the rain and the sleet and snow, all that good stuff to start. And old Brister had one request. He wanted some Fruit Loops before the storm rolled in. So we're going to Dollar General, getting some Fruit Loops. He got cream all over his face back here. He got into some poison ivy or poison oak when we was putting out our traps. And got cream all over. Looking funny. Why are you so camera shy over there? My Valentine is camera shy. I thought she loved me. She don't even want to look at me. God, what a way to treat your husband on Valentine's Day. It'll reach over there. Well, looks like we ain't the only one making the last trip to Dollar General. Got all masked up, looking like a goober. We'll park over here, give y'all a little walk, you know, since it's pretty weather outside. Stay warm. Go, Bristol. You wanted it. Well, 30 minutes later, we're leaving Dollar General. You get your Fruit Loops, little buddy.
Yeah, I had to get off-brand.
Off-brand, uh-oh. Oh, maybe they taste just as good. Hey, you're back. Well, why is she so camera shy? I see her taking selfies of herself all the time. Oh, got her. Did y'all see that? Trying to keep it kid friendly. She flipping me the bird. You see that, Brister? Get on to her. What a way to treat your Valentine's, I swear. But I love her though. Well, I know this isn't how my videos traditionally go. I ain't never really done a daily vlog. But didn't have much going on today. We've been waiting on this winter storm to get here. Hasn't started sleeting or anything yet, but everybody to the west of us is starting to see it. But anyway, been a good day to edit videos. We've been sitting around the house staying warm. Got some videos edited. And but hope everyone out there stays safe. If the roads are froze over in your area, just stay at home, because there's no need getting out and risking injury, wrecking your car, truck, whatever. Just stay home, stay warm. Hopefully we don't lose power. But to all you utility workers out there, y'all be sure to stay safe and know that we'll be praying for you. And we thank you for the work you do. Hope y'all work safely to get back home to your families. That's going to end this video for today, and we'll catch y'all next time. Y'all stay safe, stay warm. Out of here.